Emmanuel has an outer space themed room, and I thought, what could I do to make his imagination go a little bit more wild? Put clouds in his room so he can keep his head in the clouds. These are regular paper lanterns. You can find them online or any craft store. And these LED light packs, they don't heat up. They're battery operated, and this is the company. I found them on Amazon. You can get a pack of 4. You can even get different colors. There's a lot of different settings on this, including the timer. Each one comes with a remote, but guess what? One remote can operate all of them, so you can put the spare remotes in the closet. So if they lose one remote, that's okay. You have a backup. See? And those are all the settings. You can make them twinkle. They can fade. You can dim the light and stuff like that too. So I thought this was the perfect pick. For putting the lights in, I just honestly, because it's a wire, I just kind of made it wide and put it in the center of it. And if I have any problems, I don't have to I didn't want to glue the lights to the paper lantern, because then if the lights go out, if they mess up, I'm going to have to take everything apart. Well, I just put them on the inside and they work just fine that way. And if I want to switch them out and do something different, I can. And this is the inside. Honestly, you can buy the polyfill from the store, but I had a pillow that I hated, so I just opened it and took the fluff out just like that. And what I did is I stretched it out like you would do a cotton ball to make it kind of look like basically the cloud. And I just took the hot glue gun and I just started gluing the polyfill on top, just in patches until it's nice and covered up. And boom, here's one. Now, I found it really simple to put the glue on the polyfill and then put it on the lantern versus putting the glue on the lantern and then putting the polyfill on top. All right, to hang the clouds, I just use normal J hooks, just regular white hooks. And I use the clear craft wire that you use for necklaces and stuff like that. You notice that there's another wire that's hooked up at the top. And I use the sticky wall Velcro to put the battery pack on the ceiling. And that extra wire, that's from the extra set of lights that I had left over. And this is how it looks at night. This is a great alternative for a nursery nightlight, or just a nightlight in general, or just something to make someone feel good and inspired. I hope you try it.